Hello, Phil. My name is Brad, and I wanted to take the opportunity to go over your website with you and show you some information that you can use for yourself, or if you find it useful and want more help, I'm here for you as well. First of all, we're going to talk about content, and I'm sure you probably know content is how many words that you have on your web page. And I do have your web page up here in front of me. With that in mind, I'm going to do a quick word count, see how many words you have on your website. I'm just going to copy your URL. I'm going to come over here to this thing called word count. This is a free tool you can get off the internet. I'm going to paste it here, and it'll tell us how many words you have on your page. You have 992 words. That is really good. However, Google these days is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. And with that in mind, so you do have a little room here to add some more words. You can also add more keywords. A keyword, I'm sure you probably know, is like heating, cooling, plumbing, electrical. Those are all keywords in your type of business. If you're looking for a hotel, of course, you'd put a hotel in here. If you're looking for a restaurant, um, we'll go over here, take you to another tool we use. It's called Ahrefs. And again, I have your company already in here. And what this is not a free tool, however, this costs about $200 a month, which you can purchase and use for your own work business to help make things better. So here we are with organic keywords. You guys have 54 organic keywords. And again, those are heating, plumbing, water pipes, whatever it might be. You're getting about $775 a month right now. Now, this can grow if you get a lot of the proper keywords into your website. And again, you like I said, you have about 600 words you can put in, where you can also add more keywords. Waiting for this to come up here. Here are some of the keywords that you guys are using. Okay. Um, your name is bringing about a volume of about 700. You got some others in here that aren't doing quite as good, but it's still not a bad keyword in there. 300 HVAC, comfort services. So you can see you do have a few good key or quite a few good keywords in here, but then there's others that can be improved upon. And again, that's something I can do or you can do yourself. I'm going to jump over here. Again, keywords um, is what's going to bring clients and more revenue to your company. I see up here what's called Map It. You guys are not even in the Map It ranking at all. So by getting more keywords and backlinks in here, this is going to help you guys be in the #1 spot. But down here, this is where people click first. Map It is the place they'll click second to find what people are looking for. If we search down through the organics, I see you guys are one, two, three. You're fourth on the list. And again, by bringing more organic keywords into your site, that can raise you up to this #1 spot where you want to be to bring more revenue into your business. This is also where I found your competitor. I tried a couple of these others, but when I clicked on their site, it said there was something going on with it, so I couldn't open it. So I went with McPhillips as the first one that was available for me. And here they are over here. And you can see this is one of your competitors that's already outranking you guys out there. This is their website. And again, I'm going to just copy and paste. Let's see how many words they have on their web page. They have 576. So you guys are out doing them in words. They need a little help here, but again, you guys could use a little more help as well with your words, adding more words. So if we click over here, again, this is them. They have only 7 words, but it's still bringing them up about $400 in value. Checking on their organic keywords just to see what they are. Plumbing again, McPhillips, they're using their name, McPhillips. So they're getting a lot just off of their name, it looks like. So a few people must know them out there, or maybe they're clicking on the map it area to find them. Next, we're going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find on a website through a linkable to another via clickable website. And I know that sounds technical, but in reality, it's like a popularity contest, Phil. Whoever has the best backlinks and the most backlinks is going to get. And again, backlinks aren't all created equal. Since I'm already in their site, I'm going to click on their backlinks. These are all companies referring back to them. And again, it's like an endorsement from another website, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Okay, so again, these are some of their backlinks they have. With this in mind, we'll go back over to yours. You guys have a lot. So let's just click on your backlinks just to see where you guys are standing. So again, these are all endorsements back to you coming from here. And again, you guys are doing pretty good there. That's awesome. I like that. Next, let's talk about citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is on your Google business profile. So, for example, if they didn't have the and in here, it would make a big difference. These little dots, I don't know if you can see them. Down here with McPhillips, the same thing. There's a little dot here and a dot here, some commas. Those things all have to be exactly as they are in your Google web page. So maybe that's why you're missing out here. Maybe things aren't spelled out correctly. I'm not sure. I didn't go that deep into this, but this is something we can look at, okay? With that in mind, a couple things that we wanted to work on with your business, or you can do yourself, like I said, were your citations. More words, more organic keywords, a lot more that pertain to your business, and your backlinks to get you ranked where you should be. Like I said, you want to be right here and right here. Again, you're doing pretty good here, so you could just use a little bit more help to get you right in here and right in here. With that in mind, I hope you found this information useful. If you want more information, you can contact me at 608-574-2784 or just reply to an email I'm going to send this video to. Have yourself